Good day. I'd like to demonstrate if your MPC, my Pet Command MPC15DS cordless clipper blades are making an unusually high noise than usual. These are the things you can do to rectify that. First thing what you would need to do is just remove the blade as normal. What you would need to do is just make sure that you clean off all the hair, so just make sure everything is nice and clean. Also the actual blade, you see it moves left and right. Just move it left and right manually with your finger and just get underneath there just to remove excess hair. Also what you would need to do is just dab some oil across the top of the blade. Just dab some oil across the top of the blade, and also put some oil left and right underneath the moving blade. So just make sure it's all oiled. And then the other thing is just make sure that the actual machine itself is all nice and clean, so remove any excess hair, etc. What you can then do after that, once you've done all the cleaning, is you could put the blade back as normal and see that resolves your problem. If the problem is still there, then the second thing that you can try is just take yourself a standard long nose plier, and you'll see these two plastic little prongs there. Just squeeze them slightly, just hold them for about 2 seconds, just squeeze them together for about 2 seconds, a little bit, just squeeze them together. Once you've done that, again just put your blade back onto the machine, and that should resolve your problem. If you still have an unusually high noise after you've done these steps, make contact with us for further resolution or advice. Thank you very much.